yɛda ase sɛ watini to abotire nsɛm TV ɔdɔnkɔ mo dwumadie wodie mu ɛte episode 1 anasa part 1 atwam part 2 ɛna ɛdrusu sabre yes won sɛ medikan kyerɛ part 1 sɛ odie a yɛdi ho having sex no o bedroom environment and I'm a bro first episode the part 1 name. Ye part 2 ye kwa ye bedroom wardrobe. And you my ben ye will see ye keep your bedroom. Make more tears make can say and fampa blanche hanky put new my way no more bedroom. Say come bedroom new my ben and say ye belongings our bedroom to say beer and tadia ye share new my was see a share our bedroom. Maybe friend bedroom wardrobe. O bedroom wardrobe no eti say. Mama yen hwe ni mo bi ti say ya underwear sa ye hye. Ye brazier, ye pants. Ni o ma bi no mo ye hye edededa. And those kind of things that you're very encouraging say ye be hye your bedroom. And tell you be say o bedroom no side and side the drawers to view what. Now those sexy pants ni ade no smoke. Enti panel side and side no in chain drawers no with me do sexy pants or nightgown is an your money in our shot and ma wo ye lele akosia gongo ni nyina so and ma feeling like you are a woman mom say you buy with demon san your money in our the share and panel side and side wardrobe no emo na eno no atene ho. It is a wood dware na akodresia enya afi na wakotu nioma we na wakotu atade we na me night gown ya fahin na me blazer ya fahin obo so obeko bedroom na ehye baby ehye na wafa na wahye blazer akokora na wabo sambo blazer so atade e be show na down ho kama into bedroom nioma wo hia ewo ho eye wo night gown wo night wears Nioma woshe eda. Ene nioma uhia as your bedroom wardrobe. Enti no sa nioma na obehye na so sorry anopa o sorry. Wo dware a wia. O ro ho ko dware a. Na wa bobo ne kama. Sa ne wo kwa kosi a ne wa hwiri akwa akoto ba bi ese koda. Sa obesia repeat asia ahye bi mu na wa bobo ne kama. And tungu mpane so here and there. And ma wo draws Oba, Emma will draws and sign bedroom anyhow. Ben also likewise, but a man especially, a boy making wood a wana Jonah, a bemi, abedene sena musisi muni a deno, then say you draws maybe away here to panachi. Me patcho say, who can he? Who kunu? A would draws. Na wo hwiri to mpanachi anaso etom oyi ye ne da gusu da mpanachi ampana na afo mpanachi fia me pacho ade be chi na obekọ bedroom a me bathroom a make sure say obehwehwe baby your pants ne da na wafa na so obehuru se de obeni bia na je se wakora ne kama me ma bed wo pants no enka bed bed no mpa no echi na dache kotunu ema ye hu se bi ana say enja wo draws na ye go form na da paneti fino enja man na hosa me pacho say draws a show na wo gina ho a e be ma fe but the moment I will be ye go form and any be trash on any time it is all sabe hu kran process draws na show obi ho na afi wa wanya wutiri mo any esa water from ho se dia kran na obi ho na wo dwen draws na ho se da for my son show na na eknya ne ma ememma bi wo ho no mu a emma ye underwear ho ano etani on big time at the same time so no yen draws ne yen brazier ne ye panties na sign tani off big time enti me pa show oba wo underwear ye we chapade wati enti me pa show emma underwear ne wonder bedroom o bedroom wardrobe na make say esesa o brazier no pants ne nyoma egu ho no me nka say man wander around the room na ended up baby akekabo computer nimpa na da ho o akonya bi na simu bedroom one where you egu so no me pa cho make sure say o pants and brazier and those kind of things name na o bebo bone kama ade chine ye roto baby ade chi an wa hwe wa de na we wakora no kama na na look neat all the time. And to just imagine our environment bedroom no be a nightgown, underwear, pajamas, and those kind of things. Now. Distractions be in your own. And only part 2 idea me the air mouth. O bedroom wardrobe no, as I say, a yawo underwear, sexy nightgowns, nay, new ma wash edida in kuto. Na me patcho say oda and I drew na your wrong shower. You me patcho some more underwear, no so and so Miss Remo, me papa show. We make sure some of the cranny gina and say, here, pa, Mamma would dear mo and yet there, Munni Mohona Philly, and no penny idea about what Chloe made us say, Cosso, let's say, or dog dress. Or don't come out, you may dear, or a butchering TV. Now, what should be the first, the new episodes, big or a mama. Yet, I was on a more till your next episode, and I say, part 3, your bedroom, so your first episode, Nemono. You better quite share a choir, you better so I have background preparation. Would dear mo to say question na me gusu a year no kono. The same do part 3 would ye emo to say background preparation information you ma ben ahosisi ben and a drew say bra mo hye mo ho edi mo ho bedroom na e wose mo ye preparation ben ye ho say e wose environment ye clean ye ho say bedroom wardrobe no it should be your underwear pajamas and what have you. But background preparation and also anything. Yet part 2 on the first episode no I will can't answer. Madam was so let's see a butchering some TV or don't come out you now then same P and now who dear let's say.
Yes, Medi Eddie Grace Emo. Very soon I'll be connecting you and your neighborhood around the world. What do I mean? Grace Emo Abroaching Some TV. Back very soon. Medi and SMP and I'm quite so bro. Hey baby, I will be a don't worry what it. So once in your coso abroaching baby or what me be in a piete lele. Ye be bon como ye be cassa ye din some ebe daddy. Abroaching Sunday morning say ye pinty trace me connect to you and the rest of the world. In your neighborhood around the world. That is what I meant. Oh, don't come on now, and also your bebo papa. What did you want to say? What did you want to say? Your best once and welcome very soon. I will be connecting you and your neighborhood around the world at abroachingtv.com. P and I will see you again.